In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use negative prompts in Midjourney. Negative prompts are a simple but powerful way to tell the AI what you don't want in your image, so your results look cleaner, more on topic, and closer to your vision. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and press enter. From the results, click the official Midjourney website. Once you're on the site, navigate to the area where you can enter a prompt or explore images. Either works, as long as you can type and submit your own prompt. Now let's write a clear base prompt and then add a negative prompt to filter out unwanted elements. Think of your base prompt as the creative direction and the negative prompt as the guardrail. For example, you might write, "A cozy living room, warm lighting, photorealistic." To exclude things you don't want, add the negative flag with 2 dashes and the word no, like this. No people, text, watermark. That tells Midjourney to avoid including people, text, or a watermark in the scene. A few tips to make this work well. Keep negatives specific and concise. Instead of saying bad lighting, say harsh shadows or overexposed. Separate multiple negatives with commas. Be careful not to contradict your own prompt. If your base prompt calls for a city street, don't negate buildings. If you overstuff the negative list with dozens of items, you can confuse the model and get bland results. So start with the biggest offenders and refine from there. The flag should be lowercase with 2 dashes. No, followed by the items to exclude. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Give it a moment to render. As the images appear, scan for anything that still slips through. If you notice something unwanted, adjust your negative prompt and try again. For example, if stray letters appear on signs, add text, letters, logos to your no list. If reflections or lens artifacts are distracting, try glare reflections lens flare. If the image becomes too empty or loses important detail, remove the harshest negatives or dial them back to a shorter list. A good workflow is to refine in small steps. Keep your base prompt stable and only tweak the negatives so you can see exactly what changed. Save your best performing prompt somewhere and reuse it as a template for similar scenes. That's all you need to start using negative prompts effectively in Midjourney. With a clear base prompt and a focused, no list, you'll get cleaner, more consistent images faster.